Minnesota Governor Tim Walz hosted a highly anticipated town hall this morning, drawing a crowd of Rochester area residents to John Marshall High School. During the event, he addressed community concerns and responded to questions about the impact of federal policy changes. KIMT News 3's Maureen Dudley was on site and shares how the meeting was received by the public.
At his first town hall in Rochester, Governor Tim Walz faced a packed room of over 1,500 attendees eager to discuss a range of concerns, from healthcare to veterans' rights. Many attendees voiced their frustrations over the actions coming from Washington, with some even questioning the representation at the federal level.
The future of our country is at stake here. I mean, our grandchildren are growing up in a world where they have less rights than we did. And we fought hard for those rights.
I'm really concerned about freedom of speech right now. We've seen people being arrested, deported for their being outspoken.
We are showing up, we're asking questions. Both. I think all parties are just fed up with what is going on, and we're using our voices and rising together.
To ease concerns, Governor Walz assured the crowd his commitment to push back against federal overreach.
Minnesota will do our very best to firewall this thing. I will do the very best to make sure that we're protecting and we will follow the law.
Many also shared their frustrations over what they called a lack of communication from their Congressman Brad Finstad, who is running for re-election next year.
I know constituents from all over Congressional District Number 1 are asking him to show up. We have things that we want to say. We have concerns about what's happening to our government and the dissolving of important federal agencies.
When you start closing off your constituents, that's the first step. You're going to lose re-election.
The GOP and Americans for Prosperity have criticized Governor Walz for holding this town hall, stating it was more about politics than addressing real issues. The AFP stating in part Walz would rather hear himself talk than deal with the multiple crises that his administration has caused.
I don't run for office to get power. I run for office to govern and to get people together, to lift things up. These folks understood where that power was.
In Rochester, Maureen Dudley, KIMT News 3.
Now, the Olmsted County Republican Party also released a statement earlier this week asking about why the registration required town hall was not public and what the governor is planning to do about the state budget.